Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss to you the normal curve. For our learning objectives, identify the characteristics of a normal curve. Compute the area of a normal curve using the z-table. The normal curve. A normal curve distribution is presented by a normal curve. The area under a normal curve indicates probability. So the larger the area, the greater is the probability. The graph of a normal distribution is a bell-shaped curve that extends indefinitely in both directions. So this is how the normal curve looks like. So it looks like a bell-shaped curve that extends in both directions. What are the characteristics of a normal curve? Number 1, it is symmetrical and bell-shaped. So when we say symmetrical, it looks like a mirror reflection. So dito sa gitna, ayan yung naghahati sa kanila. So kung ano yung itsura dito sa kaliwa, yun din yung itsura sa kanan. So parang yung kamay natin, 'di ba? So hindi naman parehong kaliwa or hindi naman parehong kanan. Pero kapag pinagdikit natin sila, they are symmetrical. So in short, it is a reflection of a mirror, 'di ba? Parang mirror reflection. Okay? So that is symmetrical. Number 2, the mean is in the middle and divides the area in half. So, yung pinakagitna ng bell curve or normal curve, ayan yung mean. So, the mean, median, and mode are identical. So, that means, ang mean, median, and mode natin ay equal ang value. Number 3, the normal curve is asymptotic to the baseline, even when extended to the great distances beyond the mean. It continues to approach but never quite reaches the baseline. So what do we mean by asymptotic? So asymptotic, this is the normal curve, no? And this is the baseline in both direction. So pag sinabi nating asymptotic, yung normal curve at yung baseline, kahit anong lapit nila sa isa't isa, hindi sila nag-i-intersect. Kahit sobrang lapit na, hindi sila nag-i-intersect. So that is asymptotic. Okay, number 4, the area between its graph and x-axis is unity. Okay, number 5, if we fold the normal curve at the middle, the left half will coincide with the right half. Pag finold down natin to, no? Kasi nga, symmetrical sila. So kapag finold natin, para siyang yung kamay natin, 'di ba? Kapag tinapat, pag pinagdikit natin, para siyang reflection sa salamin. Okay? Pantay. So, that is number 5. Okay. So, take a look on this area of the normal curve from -1 to +1. So, dito, ito yung normal curve and yung tinutukoy na area, itong naka-shade. No? So, -1, +1. So, from here up to here. So, paano natin kukunin yung area niya? So, gagamit tayo ng tinatawag nating z-table. So, ito yung z-table. Hahanapin natin yung 1. Siyempre, walang -1 dito, no? Kasi, area to eh. So, paano natin kukunin yung area ng -1 na z-score? So, kung ano yung area dito sa +1, yun din yung area dito sa -1. Okay? So, hanapin natin si 1. So, dito siya. 1.0. So, 0. Tapat natin sa 0. So, that is +1. So, ang area niya is 0.3413. So, this is 0.3413. By the way, ang area ng buong curve ay 1. So, area of the whole curve is 1. So, ibig sabihin, kapag hinati mo yan, kapag kalahati, 0.5 ang area. So, kung ang area ng positive 1 dito is 0.3413. So, yung kabila din is 0.3413. So, the question is, ano ang area nito? Yung kabuuan. From negative 1 to positive 1. So, ang gagawin lang natin, i-add lang natin yung 0.3413, 0.3413. No? Para makuha yung kabuuang area. So, 3 plus 3, we have 6, 2, 8, 6. So, ang total area niya is 0.6826. So, that is the total area of this curve. Yan. Okay, so let's proceed to another example. So, area of the normal curve from negative 2 to positive 2. So, hanapin natin yung z-score na positive 2 sa ating z-table. So, dito natin siya makikita. Positive 2.0 at 0.00. Hindi natin pwedeng gamitin yung 0.01 kasi whole number lang na 2 ang kailangan natin. So, ang katapat niya ay 0.4772. So, that means ang area from 0 hanggang 2, yan, ang area niya ay 0.4772. So, yung kabila, ganun din. 0.4772. So, kung kukunin natin yung kabuuang area ng shaded region na to, i-add lang natin sila. 0.4772 plus 0.4772. So, the answer is 4, 14, then 15, 9. Okay. So, the answer is 0.9544. So, that is the area of the shaded region. Okay, another example. So, we have area of the normal curve from negative 3 to positive 3. So, hanapin natin yung z-score na 3 sa ating z-table. So, dito siya. And 0.00. So, ang magiging katapat ay 0.4987. So, that means ang area from 0 to positive 3 is 0.4987. So, parehas lang din area dito sa from 0 to negative 3. So, 0.4987. So, what is the area of the normal curve from negative 3 to positive 3? So, i-add lang natin 0.4987 plus 0.4987. So, the answer is, so we have 14, then 17, then 19, 9. Okay, so the answer is 0.9974. So, that is the area of this shaded region in the normal curve. So, let's proceed to example letter A. So, find the area under the normal curve between z is equal to 0 and z is equal to 0.86. So, si 0, dito siya sa gitna, 0.86. So, i-estimate lang natin. So, for example, this is positive 1, positive 2, and positive 3. So, estimate natin na si 0.86 ay nandito. So, 0.86. Dito siya, 0.86. So, kukunin natin yung area from 0 to 0.86. So, that means, itong isi-shade ko, ang kailangan natin kunin ng area. Okay, 0.86. So we have 0. So 0.8. Then 6. 0.06. Ito. So kung ano yung katapat nila, which is 0.3051. Yan, ang katapat. So that means ang area nitong shaded part is 0.3051. So that is the area. Okay, let's proceed to example letter B. Find the area under the normal curve between z is equal to 1.63 and z is equal to 0. So, remember ang 0 ay nasa gitna. So, estimation lang tayo. So, this is, for example, this is positive 1, positive 2, positive 3. So, 1.63, estimate natin, bawa siya ay nandito. So, we need to find the area of this shaded part. So, 1.63. So, 1.6 and 0.03. Okay, so that makes up 1.63. So, yung katapat nila, 0.4484. That will be the area of this shaded part. 0.4484. Okay, so let's proceed to example letter C. Find the area under the normal curve to the right of z is equal to 0.55. So, meron na siyang nakalagay na to the right. So, first, hanapin muna natin si 0.55. Locate muna natin siya sa normal curve. So, this is 0. Then, positive 1, positive 2, positive 3. So, 0.55, estimate natin, nandito siya. So, kunin natin yung area nito. Yan. 0.55. So, 0.5 and 0.05. So, yung katapat nila is 0.2088. So, ang area nitong shaded part ay 0.2088. But, ang question is to the right. To the right of z is equal to 0.55. So, ibig sabihin, hindi ito ang kinukuha na natin ng area. Ang kailangan natin kunin, itong nasa right. Yan. Yan. So, paano natin siya kukunin? So, since ito ay 0.2088, ma-minus na lang natin siya sa 0.5. Kasi half of the normal curve is 0.5. Yung kabuuan is 1. So, yung kalahati is 0.5. So, ma-minus na lang natin yung 0.2088 para makuha natin yung shaded part sa kanan. So, 0.5 minus 0.2088. The answer is 0.2912. Okay, let us proceed to example letter D. So, find the area under the normal curve to the left of z is equal to 0.38. So, kanina, to the right, ngayon naman to the left. No? So, i-locate muna natin si 0.38 dito sa ating normal curve. So, we have plus 1, plus 2, plus 3. Okay, so 0.38, estimate natin na siya ay nandito. So, kunin natin yung area ni 0.38. Yan, yung shaded na yan. So, sa Z-table, si 0.38, so 0.3, and 0.08. So, yung itatapat nila ay 0.1480. So, ang area nitong shaded part ay 0.1480. Pero, ang sabi sa question is to the left. So, that means, yung area dito sa left, kasama si 0.38, yung area niya, kailangan nating i-shade. Yan. So, ano ang area from 0 up to here? So, ang area niya, kalahati ng curve is 0.5. So, kanina nag-minus tayo, no? So, ngayon naman, dahil kailangan natin kunin yung area nito, i-add natin siya dito sa area ng 0.38. So, ibig sabihin, 0.5000 plus 0.1480. So, pag in-add natin, magiging sagot ay 0.6480. So, that means ang area to the left of 0.38 is 0.6480. Okay? Okay. So, let's proceed to example letter E. Find the area under the normal curve to the left of z is equal to 0.70. So, i-locate natin si 0.70. So, yeah, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3. So, 0.70, estimate natin na nandito siya. So, shade natin siya. Then, kunin natin yung area niya. Area, 0.70. So, 0.7 and 0.00. So, ang katapat ay 0.2580. So, ang area niya ay 0.2580. So, ang sabi, we have to find the area to the left of 0.70. So, that means, yung lahat dito sa left, kailangan natin kunin din ang area. So, ang area nito ay 0.5, kalahati. So, i-add din natin siya. So, 0.2580 plus 0.5000. So, the answer is 0.7580. So, that is the area. Mula dito pa kaliwa. Okay? So, that is the normal curve. Thank you for listening.